friends, my name is Rodia. Today I'm going to teach you all of the things you have to do in HTML. This is going to be part 1. Firstly, we're going to create a new file. I'll call it p1. Okay, let's see, p1. I'm just going to name it 1.html. So as you can see, this is a file, obviously. So the first thing you're going to have to know is DOC. If you write it, then it is going to automatically add all of this. This HTML lag en. You don't really have to know it. I've seen many tutorials that don't even include this. The things that are actually necessary are head, body, and HTML. The head contains things like title, title, and these things they make it to be that there are no errors inside console. So let's just open this. So now I'm going to press inspect, press console. There are no errors here, but if you remove them and add only title equal document or whatever, load. As you can see, when I did that, there actually aren't any errors here. Because you're going to have to add some other things for the errors to appear. I forgot what they were. Don't expect me to memorize what's for the next video. Next, there is body, which is where you're going to put all of these things that you want all to see on the screen, like h1. ObaTheCoder is cool. Save it, reload, and then you'll see this text. But if you crop the text by pressing Ctrl X and add it in head, save, reload. Well, putting H1 in the head will still work for some odd reason. As you can see, I reloaded this and nothing happens. But the body is the place where you are supposed to put everything, okay? Don't come to me, give me something I tell you to do, and be putting everything in head. That's rubbish. Anyways, you can put this anywhere. So that's the end of part 1 of this HTML course. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. I'm just going to put this back in. Bye.